Good morning students. Now you will learn the chapter triangle. In this chapter there are so many new concepts. One of the important theorem, BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Another thing is Pythagoras theorem. Now student, first of all I will discuss the logic, similar figures. Similar figures. Two figures are said to be similar when their appearance will be same. Suppose there are two triangles, their appearance is same. Or like a circle, these circles are said to be similar. Their size is different, but their appearance is same. So whenever there are two figures of same appearance, then they are said to be similar figures. There are two squares of different size, but they are said to be similar. Now is a congruent figure, their size is also same. Congruent figures. In 9th standard, I hope you have learned about the congruent figures. In that, there are two triangles of same size. Their size is also same. So here there are two triangles of same size. Suppose two circles of same size. There are two circles of same size. They are said to be congruent. So two figures are said to be congruent when they are of same size, and two figures are said to be similar when they are in same appearance. Now next is similar triangles. Similar triangles. So two triangles are said to be similar when their corresponding angles are equal. There is a triangle ABC, is triangle PQR. So here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So angle A equal to angle P, angle Q equal to angle B, and angle C equal to angle R. So whenever corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are said to be similar. This is the first condition. There is one more condition. If their sides are proportional, like AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. So whenever two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. Sides are said to be proportional. Or we can say corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are proportional. So whenever two triangles are similar, then there are two conditions. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Student, now it is one of the important theorem that is called basic proportionality theorem. In this theorem, there is a triangle ABC. Now we will draw a line parallel to the one of the side of the triangle, like this, DE. Here DE parallel to BC. Parallel to BC. Student, you can see these angle B and angle D. They are corresponding angles. So angle B equal to angle D and angle E equal to angle C equal to angle E, and angle A is common. Is common in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Now let's come on the theorem. So if these DE parallel to BC, then in the theorem ratio of AD to DB equal to AE upon EC. This is a very important logic. Whenever there is a triangle ABC and we are drawing a line parallel to one of the side, like BC or AB or AC, then this line intersect other two parts in the same ratio. In the same ratio means AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. This is the basic proportionality theorem. Student, next is converse of BPT. It is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Here again there is a triangle ABC and there is a line DE. And what is given? Given that ratio AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. This ratio is equal. Then in the converse, DE parallel to BC, then DE parallel to BC. It is the converse of BPT. Here ratio is given and then lines ends DE and BC are parallel. And the BPT theorem, lines are parallel and ratio are equal. So it is the just opposite. So it is called the converse of BPT.